Hello everyone, my name is Motlatjo Mashile. Today I'll be conducting a lesson on climate, weather and vegetation. So the first thing that we need to know about these three things is that they work together, right? So firstly we're going to define what is weather, what is climate and what is vegetation. So we define weather as the way outside is. The way the outside is, it can be sunny, it can be cloudy or rainy, right? Then we identify climate as the usual weather of a place over many years. Example, it can be like hot and dry, yeah. Then lastly, we define vegetation as the plants that grow naturally in an area, right? So the thing that we need to know is how climate, weather and vegetation influence one another, right? Climate to vegetation, rainfall and temperature patterns determine which plants can grow in that specific area and try and survive, right? For example, hot climates support savanna trees and grasses and grasses there. Then cool, wet winters and dry summers support what you call fibers. So now when you talk about fibers, the Western Cape has hot dry summers and cool rainy winters. You see, so the weather there allows special plants called fynbos to grow. They have small tough leaves that help them to survive a very long time. Then when you go to the savanna plant in Limpopo and Mpumalanga, the savanna is hot and gets rain in summer because of these tall grasses and trees grow like the marula tree, right? So summer storms often cause fires and these fires help new plants to grow. Here we see how weather, climate and vegetation work together. And another famous place that we can look at is the Drakensberg mountain, which is in high up and it is cooler than the lowlands and it gets more rain. So mountain grassland, they grow there, you see. So why can't we study climate and weather separately? It's because they depend on each other. That's simply because they depend on each other.